Have you ever been Equifaxed? Ever applied for a loan, a new credit card, even an apartment, and been denied for seemingly no reason? It can be frustrating, especially when your financial health feels like a mystery. Well, a big part of that mystery might be in the hands of a company called Equifax. But who exactly is Equifax, and why do they have such a bad reputation? Buckle up, because this story involves massive data breaches, millions of exposed consumers, and some seriously shady business practices. Equifax is one of the 3 major credit bureaus in the United States. These companies collect and maintain information about your financial history, everything from your credit card payments to student loans. This data gets bundled into a report, your credit report, which lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. So basically, Equifax holds the key to whether you get approved for a mortgage or that dream car. Sounds pretty important, right? Well, that power comes with a big responsibility, the responsibility to keep your data safe. And that's where things get messy for Equifax. In 2017, Equifax suffered a massive data breach. Hackers infiltrated their systems and walked away with the personal information of a staggering 147 million Americans. That's nearly half the U.S. population. This included names, social security numbers, addresses, and even credit card numbers, prime ingredients for identity theft. Here's the kicker: Equifax knew about the breach for weeks before they went public. During that time, 3 Equifax executives conveniently sold off a large chunk of their company stock. This raised some serious eyebrows, leading to accusations of insiders trading on top of the data breach itself. The fallout was massive. Consumers were understandably furious. Lawsuits piled up, and Equifax faced hefty fines from regulators. But the damage wasn't just financial. The breach eroded consumer trust, and Equifax's reputation took a major hit. Now, data breaches happen, that's a fact of life in today's digital world. But what truly tarnished Equifax's image was their lack of transparency and the way they handled the aftermath. The delayed disclosure and potential insider trading painted a picture of a company more concerned with protecting itself than its customers. But that's not all. Equifax has faced criticism for their data collection practices as well. They've been accused of gathering information beyond what's necessary to generate credit reports and of making it difficult for consumers to access and correct errors in their reports. So, what does this all mean for you? Well, it means understanding that Equifax plays a powerful role in your financial life. It's important to be aware of the information they hold on you and to take steps to protect yourself. Here are some things you can do. Check your credit report regularly. You're entitled to a free credit report from each bureau every year. Look for errors and dispute them if necessary. Freeze your credit if you suspect fraud. This will prevent lenders from accessing your report, making it harder for criminals to open accounts in your name. Consider using a credit monitoring service. These services can alert you to any changes in your credit report so you can catch fraud early. Equifax may hold the key to your financial future, but you don't have to hand over the whole keychain. By staying informed and taking proactive steps, you can take control of your credit information and minimize the risks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.